and we are moving in that, meditating that idea and visualizing that color in the sunlight you are witnessing. You repeat the words I repeat. This is the passage given by the Tibetan as the translation of one of the stanzas to meditate upon the golden yellow light. Please repeat with closed eyes and all the parts of the body completely relaxed. The golden rays that issue from the heart of the sun pour forth and bathe my soul and the soul of all created forms. Within those forms, the life of God awakens. The power of God streams forth as will, as dedication to the plan, as strength to work and give a son of God. Now, you have to think of glittering deep blue color, which is called electric blue. Think of it as a big ocean without any movement at all. And then think of it as the ocean of sky around you. Repeat the passage while thinking so. Within the darkness of the soul, present within the form, a point of light is seen. Then there arises all round that point a field of deepest blue, and this becomes irradiated by the soul, the inner sun, shining within a brilliant field of blue. The point of light becomes the many lines of rays of light. These lines then merge and blend until the lighted way appears before the eyes of each tired pilgrim on that way. He walks in the light. He is himself the light upon the way. He is the way. Within the darkness of the soul, present within the form, a point of light is seen. Then there arises all around that point a field of deepest blue, and this becomes irradiated by the soul, the inner sun, shining within a brilliant field of blue. The points of light become the many lines of rays of light. These lines then merge and blend until the lighted way appears before the eyes of each tired pilgrim on that way. He walks in the light. He is himself the light upon the way. He is the way. Repeat Om thrice with the idea of the blue ocean of sky around and within yourself, having the silence dissolved everywhere in it. Having silence. Now meditate upon milk white light. A big lotus in milk white color. A grand big lotus as big as the space you can imagine. The lotus is around you in the form of folds of light. Folds of light. You are completely and deeply immersed in the middle of the lotus. And a part of the lotus is within yourself also. The middlemost portion of the lotus from your heart to your head. The petals of the lotus are giving you a touch of fresh, cool breeze. Now let us utter Om thrice, thinking of the expression of joy, that is satisfaction, fullness and happiness. Now you can open your eyes. This should be the meditation of beginners who want to be in the path. And this meditation should be followed every day for 1 full year. That is, if you note down the date today, you should do it until the date returns next year. You should do it once in the morning and once in the evening. These two passages given by the Tibetan as meditative words about the golden, yellow and blue light are the translations of the stanzas of an Upanishad, you will see a few lines of dedication in the beginning of the book, Treatise on Cosmic Fire. Those are a few lines, few mantras from a scripture called the Shveta Upanishad. Similarly, the present passages we uttered now are also taken from another Upanishad called the Rudra Upanishad. You select your own time in the morning and evening, but keep up the time exact to hour and minute to begin the meditation. It is better to do the English translation passages during the first 1 year before we actually begin to utter the original mantra, because the concept is to descend into us completely. Only along with the concept, the sound of the mantra and the number value of mantra and the color of the mantra begins to work upon us. Another clarification is, these are the only two colors and the milk white in the end, that everyone is permitted to meditate daily. No one except the advanced disciples are given the procedure as to what to do, colors of their own race and colors and sounds. So the charts we have learned during the previous days, seeing the equivalents and the correspondences of the charts, from time to time some ideas will be given to you in the form of some passages in your own language or English. You have to note down those passages with the date and keep it for yourself without discussing about them, and they will be sometimes useful in the future. So you are expected to maintain a diary book separately, and the indication of the diary book is that the cover of the diary book should be of this color. Yes. Yes. That's better. Those who are on the back, turn to Kumar, you can see. When you are having a book with this cover, here is another book, and using it as a diary after your meditation, it is an indication to the advanced disciples of the masters that you are an aspirant, that you are aspiring to be one with them. So they begin to automatically respond within a few weeks. And this has nothing to do with any religion or any recognized esoteric school or any society or any association. All these societies and associations and groups are attempts to form a spiritual group, and you may belong to one of those groups, or you may be forming as one new group, and what happens is not concerned. We are not concerned. So to what group we belong is not a matter which concerns us. The procedure is the same, and the contact is the same, the communication is the same, the progress is the same, and the experience is the same to all those who want to be part of the humanity of this planet. Those who want to know more and more details, they remain outside any such group because of the defect of strong individuality and intellectualism, because of the defect of, but they are free to do it. It is for them to choose. But one thing is sure, as long as we want to investigate into matters and try to know for ourselves before knowledge is presented to our mind, then we are individually a separate institution to ourselves. And that institution continues with the same amount of progress which we have made till now, and it never expands. So the fellow dies with the same brilliance which was with him at his birth. But yet everyone is permitted to worship his own intelligence until he knows the higher law of it. So remembering these words, those who are beginners, who have no basis in the past, who have no standard or progress in the past, they may start this process from now. And those who are really confident that they are a bit advanced may not follow this. They follow their own path. And for those who want to follow this, it is necessary that these passages should be taken. The English sentences belong to the Tibetan master, whereas the concepts belong to the original standard. So, can I dictate the passages to you, or can I arrange that copies? Good.
Yeah, good.
Yes. Those who very readily responded to the idea of having photocopies.
Auf die Idee, dass Sie gerne fotografieren.
They belong to the real Raja Yoga path.
Hatha Yoga.
No, Raja Yoga. That means
Das heißt,
great joy.
Fähigkeit.
Remuneration without labor.
Belohnung.
And those few who are not wise and who have hastily responded to first idea,
Hastig auf die erste.
they belong to the real path of the masters.
Zu den wirklich.
So you can choose now.
Jetzt können wir wählen.
No more choice.
Saint Paul says no more choice. But I still repeat, there is choice.
Aber ich wiederhole, es gibt immer noch eine Wahl.
Always the decision lies with you, not with Paul.
Mit beiden einverstanden. Und mit beiden einverstanden.
They are the most intelligent of all the laws. The second ones are wiser than the first batch. They belong to the comparative degree of intelligence. Whereas the third batch belongs to the superlative degree of intelligence. That's why there will be maximum 1 or 2 persons in the third batch. Very select.
Das sind sehr ausgewählte.
They belong to the grand masters of intelligence. I will dictate the passages, please take them. There are of course 2 blinds in this. One blind, so the master has kept 2 blinds in the meditation. He expects us to remove the blinds after some time of meditation. One blind I can remove it now, but one blind I have to keep until the next year. This meditation has a sound key which is kept a secret and a blind. So the color is given, the meditation is given, and Om is given as the sound. But some more sound should be added to Om to complete this meditation according to the original stanza of the manuscript from which the master has taken these lines. You can meditate with that sound also. The blind is like this. This should be added. And the whole thing becomes, you should utter it as, yes.
No, das ist nicht das Spiel, das ist der Frequenz.
You can, you be silent, I can utter. Like that. You have to start Ju, not Ju. There are two J's. One is Ja, one is Za.
Ja.
That is, one is uttered with the palate, uttered with the teeth. We want the one with palate. Ju.